If I could think about the biggest piece of financial advice I got in my early 20s that helped me become a millionaire by the time I turned 30, it was a very specific formula I got from my college professor. And in this video, I'm going to share exactly what he told me. College teaches you a lot of things, but to be financially free and how to invest your money is just not one of them. I thank God for an introduction I had with a college professor of mine, and I walked to his office after hours, and I basically had a fundamental question. Craig, what should I do with my money? And he was so gracious enough to take the time to teach outside the curriculum of, I believe it was a marketing class, to like teach me the life skills that seriously have gotten me where I am today. And that's what I want to share with you. What you're about to learn is not complicated. It's not rocket science. It's actually simple, and it's about consistency. And you'll learn about this super awesome thing that Albert Einstein calls the most genius thing humans have ever created, called compound interest. Get ready to take out a pen and paper because this is some serious homework. The first thing you have to learn about is something that's called a Roth IRA. I don't know how old you are, and I also don't know your financial background, but let me tell you, the Roth IRA can serve pretty much anyone. As low as $5 a day can turn into a retirement plan, something that you can bank on. And of course, the longer you invest and the more you invest, the more those $5 bills that you put in can turn into $100 bills. For full transparency, and I am not affiliated with them at all, Vanguard is one of the most amazing places to invest your money. Now, when it comes to investing your money, it can get complicated. So I want to try to make this as simple as possible. Where you put your money inside a Roth IRA matters. You have a few options. You can keep it in cash inside a Roth IRA, which, what's the point of doing that? You can invest into a mutual fund, which essentially is trying to invest with people who think they're very smart, who can basically beat the market rate. And lastly, you have index funds and ETFs. This is what actually Warren Buffett himself says that most people should invest in, because these are basically robots, algorithms that match whatever the market does. So if you ever turn on the news, which I don't recommend you ever do, and you see the market's up or the market's down, which happens pretty much every single day, this volatile changes over the time span of a year and years, the market has always gone up. This makes index funds and ETFs investing pretty much over the long time one of the most safest ways that you can invest your money. And when I say safe, definitely put an asterisk that everything has risk, but without a doubt, if Warren Buffett is recommending these strategies for, I would say, people like you and me, it's the place to be. Now, I can't tell you what specific funds to take for a couple of reasons. First of all, I am not an accredited financial advisor in any way. I'm just someone who learned a valuable lesson from a business mentor of mine and have taken those actions, and it's made a massive impact. So I'm speaking truly from experience versus any accreditation. So already you could put your little disclaimer, oh, don't listen to Adrian, but this is practical advice that I recommend a few books to read, such as Money Master the Game by Tony Robbins, I Will Teach You How to Be Rich by Ramit Sethi, and books like this will be saying the exact stuff that I'm saying right now. So what should you invest in once you have a Roth IRA, whether you open up at Vanguard or somewhere else? Well, luckily Vanguard and other places have these pretty much like quizzes where you put in your retirement goal, you put in other goals that you know, maybe you want to buy a house or you want to save for your kids' retirement, and then a very important number. What age would you like to retire or call it quits? And I think I view retirement a little bit differently than other people. To me, I never want to just sit on a beach and, you know, just not do anything all day. I would be bored out of my mind. And I think a lot of people think that's what retirement is, to be bored, to basically not do anything. But I think I'll always be doing something. Some people might call it work, but if you do something you love, you never work a day in your life. So you put all that information in, and Vanguard or whatever platform that you sign up for is actually going to recommend the funds. It's going to be based on your risk tolerance and your goals. And as long as those funds are balanced into a variety of index funds and ETFs, and you do those auto contributions, whether it's as small as $5 a day or you're maxing out your Roth IRA, which is upwards of $5,000 in a year, that over time is all you need to basically become a millionaire. Or screw that, who cares about that? Be financially free, that's the goal. And I'll be super transparent. The side hustles I teach, literally all of them, come with great risk. It's not gonna work out for everyone. A lot of people are gonna try, many people will fail, few will succeed. But this strategy with how to invest your money and where to put your money, this is the guaranteed way towards financial freedom. I don't care if you have side hustles or if you have a 9-to-5, but the more you can save and invest and put towards those retirement vehicles, and the longer you can do that, the more guaranteed chance you have of achieving financial freedom. Now, let me just put a little asterisk here. Some people might say, Adrian, what happens, $5,000, I have more to contribute. And there's also another scenario. A Roth IRA does cap. You can actually make too much money where you're not allowed to invest in a Roth IRA, which is a position I'm in. And let me just say, at least for the sake of this video, that's actually a great problem to have. And a lot of other opportunities come up once you achieve that level of income. But you actually never need to make 6 figures to be a millionaire. But you do need to do this. So, this is the exact advice my college professor told me at the early age of 19. And right after that, I set up my Roth IRA, I set up those contributions, and I maybe was contributing just $100 a month when I started, but it grew and grew until I couldn't invest into a Roth IRA anymore because I started to make too much. But still today, that lesson has now basically yielded the dividends of the money that I've invested, and it's grown and grown. And right now I'm a high income earner, but I may not always be. But my money that I've invested, and especially now living in a van, I'm investing and saving 95% of my income. That is going to grow to just a ridiculous amount. Hopefully now you have a few different things to look up and set up and start. And if you do, please, if you do set up a Roth IRA and set up those auto contributions, it would mean the world to me if you could comment below and be like, yes, I want to check it out. Or if you're not ready, you need to research, just let me know what do you think about this. Other than that, I want to say thank you for watching. This is Adrian Brambila. Peace. God bless.